Hey, 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 Marieanne here, the Crochety Clogger. Hope everybody's doing good. I just wanted to come on today to show you the results of something. A while back, Tracy at Crochet Rocks, and I'll link her down below, she started a challenge called Grannies for Gramps. And what we were to do is to make a lapghan, a shawl, anything that those wonderful folks who I really pity, I'm sorry, in the nursing facilities and the rest homes. I mean, you know, in this day and age of 2020, they can't have visitors. And I know from experience that it just makes their day when they see their loved ones, and not being able to do so just really sucks, you know. Sorry. But Tracy, this was a wonderful challenge. And I challenged a few people. I know I challenged Laura at Mad Mimi's Crochet, who has completed hers, and also challenged a fellow friend, new friend here and subscriber on YouTube, Bobbi, and Bobbi Wyatt. Sorry, I started to say Bobby Allison. That's a race car driver. Anyway, so me and Bobbi come up with a few lapghans we actually made, and I think Bobbi's going to take it to a facility near her. So anyway, I'm really glad. I'm going to post some pictures of our lapghans right here. And I got one more that I did, and some of you may have seen it on my live. But let me show you. Turned out pretty good. I like it. Look. Yeah? So, this square is a corner to corner with a variegated red heart Super Saver. I don't remember the colorway. It was a skein that I found in a big bag at the thrift store, full skein, and the Afghan is, and this square is a, I tell you, I learned how to do the C2C square from Terry over at Yarn Joy Podcast, and I'll link that below. And then this one is my first ever granny squares, and it's a traditional granny square, and I learned that from Dana at Dana's Wanderlust Crochet, and I'll link that one down below too. But anyway, there's 10 of each square, so there's 20 squares in the whole thing, and then I just joined it myself with a single crochet borders, and join, and then I don't even remember what I did with the border of the whole thing. I know I did single crochet, and then what was this? I don't even remember what I did, but it turned out pretty good. I think that was it a camel stitch maybe? I believe it was a camel stitch. Yeah. So I bordered the whole thing with a single crochet and a camel. But anyhow, I enjoyed making it, and I would like to thank, I would really like to thank those who are teaching all of us to do these wonderful things. I've fallen in love with the corner to corner, and I really enjoyed learning how to make these, Dana. I really do. So, well, I mean, I didn't quite go by, I made the center of it just a little bit bigger, but I was kind of planning on how much border this particular square would need as opposed to this one, because this one didn't need as much. So anyway, it is what it is, but I think the colors look fantastic together, so I hope somebody will enjoy it. So before I leave you, I wanted to share with you some footage of a trip that Mr. C and I took a couple of weeks ago. But we went to the coast of North Carolina. It's only about how long did it take us? About 3 hours, a little over. anyway, we went to Wilmington, and we went down there because Mr. C spotted a bench that he wants to put in his garden. He's got what I like to call a moss garden. He loves that moss, and he's replanted so many. And he found a bench, real beautiful bench. If I can find a picture, I'll insert that within the footage somewhere too. But so anyway, we went down there to get that. He still has to put it together. But while we were at Wilmington, we just drove another 10-15 minutes to Wrightsville Beach, and we took a walk out on the pier, and it was just a lot of fun. So if you're not interested, you can stop it now. But if you are, keep on watching, and you may actually want to watch, wink, 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 for something that's coming up within that footage there, okay? All right, so see you at the end. Well, let's go for a little walk on the pier. At this point, we'd already gone to the garden center and purchased the bench, and I couldn't find a picture of it, so sorry about that, but it's okay. It's a pretty bench though. Anyway, just wanted to go for a little walk on the pier, smell the fresh ocean air, look at the water. I don't know, there's something about being at the ocean, even for a few minutes, that just heals my soul or something. And the sound of the surf, I just love it. Well, if you're still listening and watching, well, I'm glad you did, because I really want to do a little gift for the season, because it is the season. And I thought, well, what about a $25 Amazon gift card? Pretty much anybody could use that, and pretty much wouldn't matter where you come from, as long as you can accept an Amazon gift card electronically. YouTube's not involved in this in any way. Nobody else either, except for me. I have to say that. And well, shoot, you don't really have to subscribe to my channel or even like this video, but I sure would appreciate it if you would. It'd help me out a little bit. And I don't know. Here I am talking and looking at that beautiful water. Okay, back to business. In the comments below, and you will have to leave a comment, because I'll use the YouTube random comment picker to randomly pick someone with the keyword sea bird. That would be two words actually, SEABIRD. So make sure you include those words in your comments somewhere down below. I did look it up, and I think these guys are called common terns. I'm not sure. TERN. They may also be American oyster pickers. But anyway, again, in the comment, make sure somewhere you put the words sea bird. SEABIRD. Yeah, I did say that YouTube or nobody else is affiliated with this, right? Yeah, money for the gift card will come right out of my pocket. And I'll do the random comment picker on Sunday, December 6th. I guess by midnight Eastern time of Sunday, December 6th. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed, and thank you for coming. Oh, and look at this wonderful sand art. And this came from the pier. It was huge. So anyway, folks, look at that surf. It really does my body good. Oh, one thing I always seem to forget to mention. I do have an Instagram account too, so come on over and join up there. It don't cost anything. I don't really post that often, but anyway. Glad you stuck with me this long, and for those of you that are new to my channel, I sure do appreciate you coming over. I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we'll talk to you later. Love to you. Bye.